I just wanted to pop on today and show you guys some stuff that we're going to work on and what's been going on around here. So what I have here is I got some fun Posca markers, and I'll make sure to put the link down below. You guys can check them out if you want. So these are going to be fun to play with, and I want to play in our little journal. I made this a couple weeks ago, or I think it was last week with you guys, and I'll make sure to put this on the end screen of how I made this cute little journal, little grungy journal, just with one magazine page. I mean, that's all it takes, and you can have yourself a little cute journal. So we're going to play with that today, and we're going to play with some just magazines, just anything. These come in the mail. And these are fun, so you just need some kind of really fun background, just colors and images and stuff. So that's what we're going to play with. So get your magazines out. And I also have just the newspaper, it's just the weekly that we get here. And I'm in Oregon, and out in Bonita, Oregon, we are having the huge country fair, which we have every year, and it's been going on for years. I mean, back in the 60s. So it's been going on for years, and we'll look through this. This is just a little weekly, just newspaper that comes in. And I went to the post office today, and when I was there, I went ahead and grabbed one of these. So I thought we could play with these with our markers too. And just in case you guys do not have magazines or anything, you can use anything to do this. And it's going to be really fun. And we'll check through it, look through it. Fun little fact here is I worked at a cannery years ago, just right up the road. And the owners owned a booth at the country fair. So I always got free tickets to go, and it was fun. It's just a fun little art. It's got art exhibits and music, and it's just really cool. I mean, it's huge. People come from all over the United States, and they come here. Yeah. So our little town gets just packed with people. So I just thought that would be fun just to play with today, just because that's what's happening this weekend. So we might as well just look through and see what's in here and do some fun markers and do some fun things. So I am Tammy, and this is Snowstorm Crafts. So welcome, and let's get started. So what we're going to do is just look through our magazine here, and I got my Posca markers. I also grabbed out, maybe we'll do for the cover, here is some just 3D fabric paints and stuff. And I actually do have a big kit of like a big kit of it, I guess, just tons of them. I don't even remember how many came in it, but it's just tons of different colors in it, and some are sparkly, some are not. 3D fabric paint works great. I love using them on covers and stuff, but you just have to make sure that's the last thing you do, because you're going to have to just set it and let it dry overnight. Okay, so what we're going to do is just look for background. Like, I even like the cover here, but we'll come back to that. This is just something simple that I get in the mail, and you might as well use it and make some cool things with it, right? So let's see. I already seen a bunch that I want to do. Okay, so let's just start off with the cover here. So I'm going to do white. And you do not have to be a professional artist or anything like that to do this. We're just going to draw flowers. And I really thought the zebra would be kind of fun. Let's set this to the side for a second. Let's see. Like a tulip. Something different. And then you'll see when we cut it out, it'll look a lot better. Okay. we got that one. So you just go through, see what else you can find. Oh, there wasn't here. There's another one. They do dry pretty fast, really. Let's see. I like this one. It's got some cool colors in the background. To see, it's just kind of neat to see the backgrounds. I'll just go with that. Always fun. Want them as thick as you want. Good. Fine. Whatever you feel. Go through your magazines and other, okay. Fun. And then let's look at a weekly here. So I think this is just so cool. I mean, you can see fun things in the background here. Uh, we can even cut out some words, which I'm wanting to do a little word on the front of the journal here. So I'm going to go through in a minute and just cut out some words, some lettering, and put something fun together. Okay, so we got that, and then we had here, this is kind of cool. This just kind of shows some stuff that's going on around. So we got some culture going on. Some vintage stores, which is really cool. Just the boutiques, showing all the little stuff that people are making. I mean, it's just so much fun, you guys. It's just so artsy and it's just really neat. And then they got games that are going on and concerts. So there definitely is a lot happening. Okay, and then some the books. You got the books at the fair, and I think it's just so much fun. I just kind of wanted to show you guys some of the stuff here that is happening around my little town. I mean, it's just a small, one light little town, and it just gets huge, and it's been just going on for, I mean, I couldn't tell you how many years, but since the 60s, I was definitely for sure. It's just nice, like culture, background, history here, and it's just fun, Okay. Now, let's take some black. And if you want, you could just totally have fun with this, and you can outline, certain things. Like if you wanted some, lettering in your journals. I always like doing this kind of stuff, and just adding your own little touches to it. Probably going to seep through. Yeah, I think it does a little bit. So if you're worried about that, you could just put something else in between. Okay. So you could do that and just put different letters like that in your journals, or just cut out the F and put that on the cover. I mean, you could totally do stuff like that. What we're going to do is, this has a perfect like this. Same. Uh, Keep in mind that newspaper is a little thinner. It will go through a little. Getting all that cool stuff in the background. I think I'm just gonna do that. All right, so let that dry. Let's go back to our first one. And I will do this in a time lapse because I'm just going to go ahead and just cut everything out. Alright, so I got everything cut out. I'm just going to use the regular gel matte medium, and this should be in my links below. If not, let me know, and I will definitely put it for you. Okay, so we got our little art journal here, and I think we'll do the cover last. So this is just so much fun just to go through. I mean, you could sit, watch your favorite programs, draw on newspaper and magazines, and relax and sit there and do that, and then cut everything out, and then you got all your little fun things to play with, and just start gluing it down. Let's see where I want some stuff. It's just so relaxing. And this, I love the gel matte medium because it does seal it in nicely. When it dries, it's like a plastic. So it coats it and seals it all in there. I'm just gonna go through and start gluing some stuff down, and then we'll do a fun flip through at the end. So I just gotta make sure to dry in between with either my heat gun or blow dryer, or let it air dry, however you want to do it. So I'm gonna just continue. All this done, but now what I want to do is let's do the cover with some just fabric paint here. Some fun little touches. I'll just have to be careful when I do a flip through with you guys. I'm up for the challenge. Not sure how good this color will show up. So this just adds a little bit of texture on here. A flower. There we go. So I just thought that was cute to have it say craft. Side, and I just went through and cut out some words. Put that down. I think it turned out really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share. And let's grow together. And keep on crafting.